The first time I laid eyes on Vixen was on the Capital City Cycle website down in Columbia, South Carolina. So I drove down from Charlotte, North Carolina for our first date, and it was truly love at first sight.
Well, actually, my birthday came 4 months early.
Look at that face. Look at that face. Look at him.
I work hard and I play hard.
I immediately wanted to shower her with gifts.
LED lights. Yes, these are the LED lights for the turn signal. Gas cap keeper. I got some LED turn signals. Now they're gonna go on the front of the fairing. And also got a phone mount. The interior of the saddlebags, I wanted the flush mounts instead of the knobs that stick out. Stuff in, thought about the leather ones, but decided to go with similar material that's in the trunk of most cars. Also to help me do vlogs. Excuse me, these are this is my custom dynamics box. This is the new headlamp that I'm going to attempt to put in today. These are the vent inserts with the signal lights. And this is a GoPro mount for me to put on the side of the front fairing. Yeah. So this is going to be the Harley version of the saddlebags, the luggage rack. Today is Vixen's day to get a makeover. I've been watching a lot of videos, but originally said I wasn't going to do any modifications to this bike until I paid it off. That lasted all of probably 2 days, I would say. So the next part of today is going to be about giving her a makeover. Some of the things we got planned, we're going to change out the vents here. I'm going to actually add lights to this. I'm going to change out the headlamp. I'm going to put some signal lights here on both sides of the fairing. We're going to add some LED lights to these turn signals in the front. Also got some carpeted bag liners for the saddlebags. Going to change out this screw and this bracket for a black one. I got a foam mount as well as a magnet for the gas cap, and I got so much stuff I can't remember. But stay tuned and we will get it done today. Quick comparison of the old one and the new one. All right, new headlamp in, complete with the LED turn signals with the mesh black vent covers. One step closer. Oh yeah, Vixen is on her way. pretty sturdy, so it can go there. Let's see. Also on the gas tank. Today's project is trying to get some of these stock reflectors removed from the saddlebags, from the front fork. So the fishing line kept breaking, so I had to go with something a little more robust. So I'm using the line that I used for my weed eater. Finished product, front fork reflectors gone, and smoke reflector on the bag. So she is almost all the way murdered out. So smoke lenses on the tail lights, smoke reflectors on the saddlebag. Still gotta do something with the badge. Tank badge. Got a plan for it. Smoke lens on the front turn signals, and front fork reflectors have been removed. So, Vixen is at Speedway Harley Davidson at the service department. And alright, cold start up, first start up after the stage 2. Got the Screaming Eagle on there now. Okay, tried to go with the aftermarket, but it was too small, so I had to go ahead and get the Harley version.
Vixen and I have come a long way together, but we are not done yet. Please subscribe to stay tuned for the completion of my build. Thank y'all for rocking and riding with me. Y'all be blessed.